Mga kabombo, meron pong hanggang sa 60,000 na mga miyembro ng Philippine National Police ang ipapakalat sa iba't ibang bahagi po ng ating bansa para sa Ligtas Semana Santa 2026. Makibalita ho tayo sa pag-uulat ni Bombo Bea Peniza.
Pagpapakalat na higit sa 59,000 ng mga tauhan ng Philippine National Police para sa inaasahang dagsa ng publiko ngayong Semana Santa at maging ngayong summer vacation. Ayon kay Philippine National Police Tourist Security and Protection Section Chief Police Captain Amy Centro-Tiu, mula sa bilang na ito, 39,000 ang binubuo ng pulisya, habang higit sa 14,000 naman ang mula sa mga advocacy groups. Layo ng naturang deployment na siguruhin na magiging maayos, mapayapa at ligtas ang publiko at maging ang mga turista na dadayo sa iba't ibang pasyalan ngayong summer.
As we approach the observance of the Holy Week, the Philippine National Police is fully prepared to ensure the safety, security, and orderliness of the public under our nationwide program Ligtas Semana Santa 2026. We have a total of 59,416 personnel have been mobilized nationwide. And out of that total, we have 39,540 from PNP personnel, and also we have from augmentation forces or other uniformed government personnel, a total of 5,185. And also we have a total of 14,691 from our advocacy groups.
Ayon pa kay Chu, maliban sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan, layunin ng deployment na ito na magbigay din ng assistance sa mga turista na mamamasyal sa loob ng bansa. Ang pagpapakalat din anya ng mga tourist police ngayon ay naglalayo na magsagawa ng pag-iikot sa mga matatao at kilalang lugar para sa mas mabilis sa pagresponde tuwing may emergency.
Personnel are tasked not only to ensure the peace and order, but also to assist our tourist individual, to manage the crowds, and prevent criminal activities, enforce safety regulations, and provide immediate response when it is needed. The proactive presence is intended to create a safe and secure environment for local and foreign tourists during the Holy Week. And the deployment of tourist police across all police regional office is a strong effort of the PNP in order to keep our tourists safe, especially during Semana Santa and summer vacation.
Samantala, magtataas naman ng antas ng alerto ang pulisya sa heightened alert status simula yan ngayong Marso 20 hanggang Mayo 31, habang sa Holy Week naman itataas ang heightened alert status sa parehong araw hanggang Abril 6. Mula dito sa Camp Crame sa Quezon City, ito si Bombo Bea Peniza, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.